Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Insider. Today we're diving into AvaTrade. They're big, bold, and they're everywhere right now. Let's kick it
Yeah,
off
yep.
with their regulatory chops and trust factors.
Absolutely. AvaTrade's been around since 2006 and is regulated by top authorities like the Central Bank of Ireland, ASIC, Japan's FSA, and South Africa's FSCA. That kind of global stamp really builds trust, don't you think?
Definitely. And on top of
Mm-hmm.
that, in 2024 alone, they clinched like 15 major awards, including Most Trusted Trading Platform in the UAE and Best Forex Tools globally. It's like they're both innovating and flexing their marketing muscles at the same time.
True, and while the awards are super impressive, it does make you wonder if it's all hype or if they actually deliver equally in performance.
Right, which brings us to their product offerings. They've got MT4, MT5, and even their award winning AvaTradeGO mobile app that got top marks for usability by FXEmpire in 2024. Fast execution, deep analytics, and an intuitive interface. Pretty solid stuff.
Yep, exactly. And then there's the education angle. AvaAcademy packs over 200 interactive lessons and strategy modules. I mean, that's more stuff than some universities might toss into a finance elective. You know?
For sure, but here's a point to chew on. Their ESG transparency is kind of a weak spot. In an era where investors demand clear, sustainable practices, not having a solid stance just feels out of touch for a forward thinking
Yeah,
broker.
I get that. It really does raise a red flag. While they nail regulation and product quality, ignoring sustainability is like, well, a missed opportunity in 2025.
Now, let's talk marketing. AvaTrade isn't playing small. They've signed a multi year deal with Oracle Red Bull Racing. Yep, you heard that right. Their branding is splashed all over the RB21 car, team kits, and on F1's official podcast, Talking Bull. That's a full throttle push into mainstream sports
Right,
culture.
exactly. I agree. But here's my take. While it boosts brand visibility, it might also be a strategy to distract from those product gaps we mentioned, especially on ESG.
Fair point. And then there's the digital first strategy with omnichannel messaging through Pushwoosh, which reportedly bumped conversions by 12%. Plus, their Latin America trading tournament is a clever way to gamify the trading experience.
That tournament is definitely a creative twist, and now with their automated trading platforms rolling out in Australia, they're clearly targeting both hands on and hands off traders.
Ultimately, AvaTrade stands as a reliable, well regulated platform with solid products and educational tools. But if you're a veteran trader hunting for cutting edge innovations or serious ESG transparency, you might need to look a little deeper.
Exactly. So, for new traders, AvaTrade offers a safe and polished entry point, yet the heavy marketing and some product gaps might leave more experienced traders wanting more substance.
Yep, and in the end, it's a balancing act. Are they investing enough in product innovation, or is it more about dazzling with decals and sponsorships? Only time will tell.
That wraps up our dive into AvaTrade. Stay sharp, trade smart, and don't get dazzled by the decals.
Thanks everyone for tuning in to Trading Insider. Until next time, keep your strategies smart and your eyes on the prize.